Welcome back to the N.T.K Tools YouTube channel. Today I will introduce to you the post scanning feature of our UID software. Please open the UID software. This software allows you to scan groups, fan pages, profiles or posts. To scan posts, go to the post list scanning section. Here you just need to enter the keywords you want to scan for. For example, I will scan for the keywords Los Angeles, Vietnam food and traveling. Enter each keyword on a separate line. Click Save. The software will automatically recognize that you have selected 3 keywords. You can set how many posts to scan for each keyword. I will set it to scan 50 posts for each keyword. You can choose to collect random posts or the latest posts. You can scan posts from personal profiles, group posts or posts on fan pages. Whichever post you want to collect, you just need to select the option and the software will automatically fetch the posts for you. Here, you select the web account and simply click Start. The software will automatically search for posts containing your keyword. Very quickly, in just a few seconds, the software has scanned and found all the posts with the keywords you requested. Now, you can export an Excel file to see what information the software has provided you about that post. You can see that the software has extracted a lot of information about the post for you. First is the keyword you just entered to scan. Second is the person who posted it. Third is the post ID. Fourth is the content of that post. Fifth are the number of likes, comments, shares, and the time the post was published. All of this information has been displayed here by the software. You can utilize the data based on this information. If you want to check the post, you just need to copy the UID. Go to Facebook, paste the UID in, and it will automatically display the post containing the keyword Los Angeles. You can check the information here. If you need to use the software, please contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. I will give you a demo of the software as well as provide consultation. Thank you for watching the entire video. See you again in the next videos.